Hey folks, it's Andy here. I'm just popping out this quick video to say thanks to everybody for all of your encouragement. The videos that I've been putting out over the last 12 days have been really popular, loads of comments. What's been the most popular comments was Jacob Mafuleni, his Shanjay, where he's whistling. It's beautiful. The energy in that room was amazing when we recorded it. The Mutamba of Leonard, I did that one, I put that one out yesterday. That one was a request, so that's been gratefully received. My favourites was Gift Mugwidi, his Shanjay is beautiful, and that's building on that video, that Mbira Masterpiece Live one that he put out, or somebody else put out of his a few years back, that's been really popular on YouTube. So in this video he takes it a bit further, which is great for us. All of the videos that I've been sharing are just to show you like a little sample from each of the musicians that I recorded. We've got loads more to publish, but I wanted to showcase them all in the lead up to New Year's. So in 24 hours there's going to be a prize draw for this Mbira here, this Garikayi Tirikoti E-flat Mahororo tuning. It's close to a major scale from the note ones going outwards, and to be in with a chance of winning this or a Pair of Hosho or CD from Forward, Quenda and Friends, you just need to subscribe to Mbira Online. You can pay, donate, however you want to think of it, anything from $1 upward a month, and your money goes towards paying the musicians that are being featured. So if you are enjoying the videos, then it'd be a nice way of you saying thank you and helping to support them and future uploads to the website. I'm really enjoying sharing everything. Thanks for all of the requests and all of your feedback and comments. And just 24 hours left to get involved. It would be ideal if you did want to make a recurring donation of something that suits you, any amount, even if it's just $1 a month, then that's something going towards keeping the project alive and supporting the musicians out in Zimbabwe. Happy New Year to you all, and keep enjoying all of your Mbira. Shall I play a little bit of this just to see you out? If I play something like Nemu Musasa, then it's going to come out with a different flavour, a bit more like Bangita, as most of you would have enjoyed it on Yamaropa tuning. So I'm going to start here and so on, but it will come out with a different flavour. So yeah, when you finish enjoying my playing, please head over to Mbira.online and choose an amount that suits you, and you'll be in with a chance of winning this beautiful instrument from Garikayi. Thanks very much. Happy New Year, folks. Cheers.